Hello everyone, my name is Fernando. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you the basics of drawing a nose from the side view in 3 simple steps, going from a rough sketch to a shaded drawing. If you stick with me to the end, I'll share with you a quick pro tip that's going to definitely improve your drawings. We're going to be using Strathmore mixed media paper. Next, I'm using a mechanical pencil and 5mm lead 2B. We'll be using a soft brush and a kneaded eraser. You can use any eraser. This is the one that I prefer. Step 1. Rough shape sketch. Alright, so we're going to start the side view drawing of the nose by first doing a very rough sketch to establish the width, height, and angle of the slope of the nose. The shape is similar to a triangle with the tip cut off. So the goal of this step is to get the correct overall shape and proportion of the nose. I really recommend working from a reference photo, and this will give you a better idea of the angles and the proportions. Alright, let's move on to step 2. And that's going to be drawing the side view nose outline. So once you feel you have the correct rough side V shape of the nose, you can create a smoother outline drawing. The nose doesn't have to have that many details, so the outline drawing can be fairly plain. Once you feel you have the correct rough side view of the shape, you can create a smoother outline drawing. Step 3. Shading. So when shading anything, including the nose, it first helps to establish the lighting conditions. In this example, the light will be coming from the top left side of the drawing, the front of the nose. The darkest shadows will be below the nose, behind the nostrils, around the area of the eyes, and at the bridge of the nose. The more an area is facing away from the light, the darker the shadows will be. The nostrils, for example, will be one of the darkest areas. Generally, in most common lighting conditions, the areas described above will always tend to have the darkest shadows. If you find this video helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing to my channel. There are different ways of shading. In this example, I'm using a hatching technique. Here's the pro tip. With a soft brush, begin by doing vertical movements. This will start softening up the lines and creating a smooth transition. You can also use circular motions, especially around the nostrils and around the eyes.